Ever wondered what makes the digital world tick? Today we unlock the mystery of Amazon AWS. Amazon AWS, or Amazon Web Services, is the beating heart of the internet. It's a comprehensive cloud platform from Amazon that provides over 200 fully featured services from data centers globally. From startups to large enterprises and even governments, AWS provides the technology to build sophisticated applications with increased flexibility, scalability, and reliability. Today, we're going to explore this digital powerhouse, unveiling its core features, the vast array of services it offers, and steps on how to navigate this tech behemoth. We'll provide a clear, easy-to-follow guide that will help illuminate the exciting and complex world of Amazon AWS. So whether you're an entrepreneur, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about how the internet works, you're in the right place. Are you ready to dive into the world of Amazon AWS? Buckle up, because we're just getting started. What if I told you that the internet as we know it relies heavily on services like AWS? Yes, that's right. Amazon Web Services, or AWS for short, is a crucial player in our connected world. But what exactly is it? In essence, AWS is a cloud services platform offered by Amazon. It provides a broad set of global cloud-based products including storage, databases, analytics, networking, mobile, developer tools, management tools, IoT, security, and enterprise applications. These services help organizations scale and grow without the need for physical infrastructure. Imagine you're running a startup. You've got a great website that's starting to attract a lot of traffic. The last thing you need is for your site to crash because your server can't handle the load. This is where AWS comes in. Instead of investing in expensive hardware and dealing with the complexities of running your own server, you can rent computing power, storage, and databases from AWS. You might be wondering, but how does AWS support various online platforms and services? Well, think about Netflix, a popular streaming service. It relies on AWS to securely store and deliver its vast content library to millions of subscribers around the world. Or consider a social media giant like Facebook, which uses AWS to manage its enormous amount of data and handle the billions of operations it conducts every second. AWS isn't just for the big players, though. It's designed to be flexible and accessible for businesses of all sizes. It offers pay-as-you-go pricing, which means you only pay for the services you use. No upfront costs, no long-term commitments. Whether you're running a small blog or a global enterprise, AWS has the tools to support your venture. The beauty of AWS lies in its versatility. It's not just about hosting websites or apps. It's a platform that can be used for machine learning, data analytics, game development, and so much more. It's a toolbox filled with services that can be mixed and matched to create the solutions you need. With AWS, the possibilities for online platforms are limitless. With the right understanding and application of its services, AWS is your powerful ally in navigating the digital world. Did you know that AWS offers over 200 fully featured services from data centers globally? Let's explore some of them. AWS is like a giant toolbox, teeming with tools waiting to be used. One of the most popular tools is Amazon EC2, or Elastic Compute Cloud. This service gives users resizable computing capacity in the cloud, making web-scale computing easier for developers. Imagine being able to scale up or down your server capacity within minutes, not hours or days. That's the power of Amazon EC2. Then there's Amazon S3, or Simple Storage Service. S3 allows you to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time, from anywhere on the web. It's like your personal digital warehouse, available 24/7, 365 days a year. And let's not forget about Amazon RDS, or Relational Database Service. RDS makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the cloud. It provides cost-efficient and resizable capacity while automating time-consuming administration tasks such as hardware provisioning, database setup, patching, and backups. But AWS isn't just about computing, storage, and databases. It also offers services in analytics like Amazon Redshift, a fast, fully managed data warehouse that makes it simple and cost-effective to analyze all your data using standard SQL and existing business intelligence tools. For businesses interested in machine learning, there's Amazon SageMaker, a fully managed service that provides developers and data scientists with the ability to build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly. And these are just some of the over 200 services available. AWS caters to a wide range of needs, from mobile services to application services, from game development to Internet of Things. It's a powerhouse of a platform that supports different types of businesses, from startups to big corporations. So, whether you're looking to launch a new app, store vast amounts of data, analyze large data sets, or even train a machine learning model, AWS has got you covered. From startups to big corporations, AWS has services that cater to everyone's needs. Now that you know what AWS is and what it offers, are you wondering how to use it? Well, buckle up, my friend, because we are about to embark on a step-by-step journey to mastering the use of Amazon Web Services. Our first stop is creating an AWS account. It's as easy as pie. Simply head over to the AWS homepage and click on the orange button that says, Create an AWS account. You'll then be prompted to provide some basic information, like your email address and a password. Don't forget to choose the account type that best suits your needs, whether it's an individual or a business account. Now, after the account setup, you will land on the AWS Management Console. This is your command center, your cockpit, the place where you'll be piloting your cloud journey. It might look a bit daunting at first, but don't fret. It's actually quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. On the top right of the console, you'll see a search bar. This is your quick access to the vast array of services AWS offers. Simply type the name of the service you need, and it'll appear right there. Handy, isn't it? Speaking of services, choosing the right ones for your needs is like picking the right tools for a job. AWS offers a ton of services, ranging from compute, storage, databases, to machine learning, and more. Each service is designed to solve specific problems or to achieve certain goals. It's all about understanding your needs and picking the right tools for the task at hand. Let's take a brief detour and talk about the AWS free tier. This is a fantastic way to get your feet wet and experiment with AWS without burning a hole in your pocket. The free tier offers certain services free for 12 months, and some services are always free. You can find this information under the AWS free tier in the console. Back to the console, on the left side, you'll see a navigation panel. This is where you can manage your account settings, check your billing details, and access AWS support. It's your personal toolbox, always ready at your disposal. And there you have it. You've just taken your first steps into the vast world of AWS. Remember, like any new skill, mastering AWS takes time and practice. Don't be afraid to explore, to experiment, and to make mistakes. That's how we learn, after all. With these steps, you can start exploring AWS and its numerous possibilities. So go ahead, dive in, and let AWS take your business or personal projects to new heights. The sky's the limit. So, what have we learned about AWS today? Quite a bit, I'd say. We started out by introducing Amazon Web Services, or AWS, a comprehensive cloud platform brought to us by the e-commerce giant Amazon. We discovered that it's a robust platform providing a broad set of products and services. From data storage to application development, AWS is a one-stop shop for all your cloud computing needs. We then went on to explore the basics of AWS. We learned that it operates from multiple physical locations across the globe, divided into regions and availability zones. This structure allows AWS to offer a highly reliable and scalable infrastructure, capable of handling diverse needs, from small businesses to global enterprises. We also delved into the pay-as-you-go pricing model that AWS offers, making it a cost-effective solution for many businesses. From there, we dove into the vast array of services offered by AWS. We learned about its storage services like the Simple Storage Service, or S3, and its compute services like Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2. We also discussed database services, machine learning services, and many more. These services altogether make AWS an incredibly versatile platform, catering to a wide variety of use cases. Then we walked step by step through the process of using AWS. We saw how to set up an account, navigate the AWS Management Console, and use key services. We even went through some practical examples, showing how these services can be used in real-world scenarios. In conclusion, AWS is a powerful and versatile cloud platform. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur looking to launch your startup, or a well-established business aiming to scale up, AWS can cater to your needs. It's designed to help you build sophisticated applications with increased flexibility, scalability, and reliability. Remember, AWS is a powerful tool that can transform the way you do business online. It's time to unlock its potential.